Well, here's the truck stop here. Just talked to them inside, and they have no clue when they might get any fuel, gas or diesel, delivered. They have no idea. And there I am, out there in line with everybody else. They have a truck that's unloading some food supplies, so they might get their restaurant working. They said it'd be after 1 o'clock, a couple of hours from now, or an hour or so. But this is it. You just have to take what life gives you, and try to be prepared as best you can. Some people prepare a little bit better than others, and others get in trouble, sometimes through no fault of their own. So this is pretty neat out here. Just sitting in the middle of the line. Some of the trucks are blocking the wind for me, and I'm just doing fine. So, adios.